This is the beginning to see if a whole house fan here will actually do something. Because, so anyways, here I've got this Zhonglian Sky Star series hooked up, and as always, this Lileng using fan is always on once my window's open. Oops. And we use stuff from my old water bottle hanger, huge fan, it uses everything to weigh it down, so yeah. It seems to work. Really. I'm gonna do a test. Seems to be working fine right here. Nice. Now there's air moving in here. That's what you're talking about. This is less of a static pressure fan, but it will move air after it's like moving freely. It is loud, but hopefully we'll have a more permanent setup right now, and it's not the safest option. So yeah, I'm still toying with the idea of the whole house fan. There's wind coming into this window, so that's not ideal.